Web3 TV.
Hello, what's up, and welcome to our first interview at the VC Connect by Agora Group. I'm Adel, the host. Today we have Alvaro Molina with us. Alvaro is a good friend of mine. I see you many times at the networking events. This is our first time we actually get to share the frame. How are you doing?
First of all, thank you very much for hosting me here. It's true, we met all the time, but we never make an interview. So happy to be here with you today.
Wonderful. Thanks for being on our show. We are here to educate. We want to know what's happening in the blockchain space. This is a VC venture capital event. Tell us a bit about what you're building.
Okay, I represent NewTribe Capital. We are a Dubai-based venture capital, second most active venture capital in the space in the Middle East. We focus in early stage blockchain companies. I would say we do way more than just invest. We are well known also because we add a lot of value. And I'm not talking about service provider like many. I'm talking about add real value to our portfolio companies or to our friends.
Interesting. When you say the portfolio companies you invest in are mainly early stage and they're blockchain startups, are they the ones that are creating blockchains? Or are they also other things outside of that, like crypto exchanges?
No, we focus in blockchain mainly, also AI.
Okay.
We like to invest in what makes sense, which is not common in this space. But yes, we focus in everything that makes sense, problem solving, bringing mass adoption. Nice.
And what was your last investment, if you can recall? And how much was it, roughly?
We invested in Blue Whale AI. I think was the last one, just a couple of months ago. We have invested in more than 24 projects in the last year, if I'm not right. So yes, we are still active. We are still deploying.
Very nice. Very impressive. Looking ahead with the whole situation, the tariff situation between Trump, China, and others, do you see this as a potential opportunity or challenge for future investments in the space?
Okay, for us, when market is down, is the best moment to invest, always. When market goes up, it's definitely not the moment to invest. I know it's where everybody start deploying capital, everybody start asking for funding.
Right.
That is not the moment. The moment is bear market.
Bear market, right?
You get good valuations, realistic valuations, which is more important.
Right.
And you have the people who is really building something that makes sense.
True.
In bull market, everyone wants easy money.
That's true.
So
that's true. The best times are the times where things are not going well, because that way you buy cheap.
Exactly.
Interesting. Really cool. And do you have any specific trading strategy in terms of which sort of criteria you use to invest in companies? Like they have to satisfy certain things?
Not particularly. We do the funding, then we wait for the TGEs. We are very responsible with the vestings. We ensure that we will never impact the price. So we always try to coordinate and be very respectful because we are investing to build the space, not to destroy it.
Right.
I know that sadly many VCs got a bit of fame about that topic.
Yes, they did.
About dipping the price.
Yeah.
So no, in our case, we are very respectful.
And in exchange, you take equity or you take tokens and other forms?
I would say we prefer tokens as our favorite investment.
Okay.
We don't say no to equity.
Okay.
But if you ask me what's your favorite way, it's tokens.
It's tokens. Okay, yes. Amazing. Well, Alvaro, thank you for the interview. For those watching, if they're interested to find out more about NewTribe Capital, where can they go?
You can refer, first of all, to our website, newtribe.capital. Simple, easy. You can come to our events. We're hosting 5 events this week.
Woo!
And you will see us, as you know, everywhere.
Everywhere.
In every event.
Awesome.
We will be everywhere.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this insightful. We'll leave all the links in the description so you can check out Alvaro's profile. Thank you again. I'm Adel, the host, and I will see you next time. Cheers.
Thank you.
Web3 TV.